So this is my sawdust and grain pen. I call my pen Digital Camouflage Pen. Sadusdo, that's right. The tree is natural, the wood is natural, the sawdust is natural, and I like to keep it going. What kind of herbs and spices, ground rocks, and even chocolate is used to make sawdusto. In essence, it's sawdust mixed with a homemade glue and colored naturally by the things we all have in our kitchen and found in nature itself. Stone glue. It makes the sawdusto rock hard. My flexi glue, which makes the sawdusto flexible. That's right, it's a whole new world of woodworking out there, and I'd like to invite everyone to join in the fun and learn about using that sawdust that just gets thrown away in your shops. I invite you. Don't forget now, y'all have the best day ever, and I really truly mean that. And now you, that's right, you, know what Mom knows. Sawdusto. It's going to be a lot of fun.